Hello viewers, I have been using iPhone 17 for a couple of days and I am getting excellent battery life using some settings. At present, I am getting around 9 hours plus on a single charge, which is incredible. Let me show you the battery that I am getting for the last 4 days. You will also get these kinds of battery life if you turn on the settings that I have turned on. As you can see here, 9 hours plus, 9 hours plus, and then 9 hours plus, and then I used my phone little bit less and then I got around 7 hours screen on time. You have to make 4 changes in your iPhone and that will change the battery scenario. The first thing, you have to enter into settings, then head towards background app refresh. Actually, background app refresh drains out a lot of batteries. So my suggestion is to you to turn off background app refresh altogether. You will have no problem if you turn off these settings, but if you don't want to turn off all the apps, you can specifically single out the apps which you don't use and which you don't want to run in the background. So you have to just uncheck the box of that app which you don't want to run in the background. Different people use different types of apps, so you have to make sure which app you are unchecking. I am putting a pop-up window or image so that you can understand which app I have turned on and which app I have turned off for background app refresh. This change will definitely bring the battery life to a higher level and you will get excellent battery backup. The next thing that you have to do, go into the notification settings and you have to turn off notification for all those apps from which you don't want notifications at all. You can turn off all notifications or you can individually turn off notification from particular apps. I have already unchecked a lot of apps from notification. That's why I don't receive any unwanted notification from any unwanted app. These unwanted notifications actually distract you while working or doing anything, so it is also a very good thing for your mental health. Actually, these notifications unnecessarily drain out your battery. The next setting is very important. You have to select the location services under privacy and security, then head down into location services and you have to see which apps are using locations. If there is a purple sign, that means your battery is constantly using that service. Most of my apps are using locations when I am using the app. So you have to go into settings called system services and you have to uncheck these boxes which you don't want. I have already done it, so you can pause the video and make sure you are doing the same kinds of unchecking. The last 3 boxes should be unchecked because these drain out maximum batteries. The next important settings that you have to check is in the Siri. If you don't use Siri voice command, in that case you can turn off the Hey Siri option. But I use it very much, so I kept it on, yet I am getting excellent battery life. So if you don't want, you can turn off this Siri option. So make these changes in your iPhone also. I think you will get better battery life whether you are using any older model as well. After making these changes, use your device for a couple of days and let me know in the comment sections below if your battery life has improved or not. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.